Good morning. Last set of voltage indicators for today. This one comes in a very snazzy hard case. I would say it's a soft case, but it is quite hard and stiff. This is the Campbell York Cyclim. This kit is the 115. This comes with the Cyclim voltage indicator. It comes with, if I can get them all out, an array of different tips, covers, spare neon lamps, the full kit. This one comes from a company called Owen Brothers. Works out about 45 quid. Not everybody likes them, as we'll see in a minute, but they are a good solid bit of kit. This one, removable probes, still got our fuses in the handles. This one has got, I would say, fairly old technology in a high wattage resistor in the handle to limit the voltage in the leads in the event of a breakdown of a lead. And this one here, another resistor in that end, and the operating elements in there are glued in. Not too much information on these. It's a fairly lightweight piece of kit. It's fairly small because it doesn't have a voltage a proving unit coming with it. Leads are good and thick. Again, we've got the heavy duty double insulated 1.5 mil oil resistant leads. We come with loads of these little tips. Only got very small amount of tips showing there. Are recommended 2 mil. This one, if I move that over there, this is the business end, and all this does is dependent on whether you are between 150 volts and 500 volts AC or DC. It will just glow brighter. So let's see, there we go. These, because it has a fixed plastic edge, do not fit in my Q-Check R2 socket tester, which is a nuisance, and I've had a few proving voltage indicators that don't fit in. However, standard proving unit, if you're using this in a commercial installation, which I think you're probably more likely to be, so I don't even know whether you can see that. It says I've got a low battery, so this is partly because this is drawing a high impedance, a high load through my proving unit. This is the proving unit that a minute ago supplied nearly 500 volts. Right, so live one is that one. So I don't even know whether you can see that. Don't know whether that will help. Turn the light off. So neon is glowing. Let me turn that one off. Let's go into the dark. And so this is how much. There you go. So that is a neon glowing, and the voltage, the lamp. I like the robustness. I like the standard, the quality of it. I like the fact it comes with tips. I like the fact that it's generically quite cheap, 45 quid. I don't quite so much like the fact that these don't glow very much, and I think this is all part of the fact that this is an industrial test and not a domestic one. It's not ideal for testing 230 volts. It might be better for testing high voltage battery installations, or for testing 400 plus volts. Get a more pronounced glow in there. You can tell there's 230 volts on the system. It's just another one of those unusual testers that come out of your box. I do coincidentally have a spare one. Should somebody want one for their collection, DM me and we'll see what we can do. There we go. This is the Cyclim by Campbell York, sold by Owen Brothers, and an interesting one. I don't mind it. Again, it would depend where I was working. It wouldn't necessarily be my go-to one, but there you have it. There is your Campbell York Cyclim test lamp from Owen Brothers, should you want to go and buy one. However, if you do, get in touch with me, because I've got a spare one. As always, boys, stay safe. Prove it dead before sticking your digits on there, otherwise it could ruin your weekend. And thanks very much. And yeah, sorry about the washing machine rattling away in the background. I must turn that off next time. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.